Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now let us discuss how to order the data. I mean to say how to sort the data in the table. Okay, I'll quickly create a table and let me add one which has first name and last name, and I'll be adding one more field, that is which city they belong to, using an alter table name, add column name with the data type, and we'll be inserting some data. Okay, now the data is inserted. Let me query the data. Okay, so we have this information. Yeah, yeah, this is the data in the table which we just inserted. Now I want to sort the data using the first name. I'll say the same query, select star from person, and I'll say order by first name. So we can see that the data, when it is shown, it will be in ascending order by default. So Dhanush, D comes first, D comes before J, which comes before M in alphabetical order. Okay, so now what if we want the sorting in a descending order? So we'll use the keyword DESC. So this will be the descending order. So these are the two queries that you should be knowing to sort the data in ascending and descending. ASC, we can specify it explicitly. Okay, now let us say we want to sort the table having two fields, that is like multiple fields. So I'll copy this. I'll say comma. I want it to be sort with the city. Now you can see that it will be sorted. First, the oracle will sort the first name, and then it will sort the city in descending. So it would be a better example to use last name here so that you can see the difference. Okay, see here that Kumar, it is sorted. We have all the three Kumar consecutively, and we have city sorted in a descending order. That is Kuwait and Chennai. Now let us see what happens if we want this in descending. See, as expected, the Santosh Kumar is the first field, first row. In this case, it is S. Okay, we are not using the first name to sort and only the last name. We can know that. Now let us add the first name too. So here it is in descent. Here it is not following any particular order. Now it should follow ascending order. Here we can see Prem Kumar has come before Santosh Kumar. Now let us consider, okay, here by default, if we don't mention the ascending, by default, Oracle will assume it is ascending order. Okay, now we have this null values, right? Let us say, let us sort it with city. See, here the null value has come in the end. If required, we can explicitly tell Oracle to put the null value in the first. That's like nulls first. Okay, there's some issue with the query. Yeah. Okay, here in this case, null value has come in the beginning. If you want it, if you want the null value to be in the end, and irrespective of ascending, descending, okay, there's some issue. I think the table got dropped. That means that the data again. As I'm using this online compiler to show you the example, there will be certain time limit. Let me quickly run all the queries. Here we can commit, just save the inserted values. Okay, so now let us run this. Let us see this scenario. Okay, I think this particular entry got inserted twice when I ran the query here. For some reason, maybe, anyways, it's fine. It's not relevant. Okay, so this is how we, now in this video, we discussed regarding sorting the data in a table, either in ascending or descending, and we can use multiple columns to sort the data. And always remember, in this scenario, the preference will be, let us say if you mention first name here in the order by clause, and if this is the first field you mention, the preference will be given to it. If in case you remove it, or you, let us say this will be more interesting, let us do one thing. I will say last name comma first name. Here last name is okay, just remember the output. Here you have Santosh Kumar and Prem Kumar. Here okay, let us see how the output changes. You can see now that preference is given to the first name as a last name, and second preference is given to the first name and then the city. So the, you can sort with multiple columns, but the point is the preference will be given in this fashion. And let us say, let us discuss one more interesting scenario. I want to sort it with the descending. Okay, now when it is sorting in descending order, you can see in this particular scenario, that is Chennai and Chamrajpet, both are starting with CH and E. Okay, now let us do one thing. I will insert one more row. I'll say Now let us see how will be the output. See, in this case, because we have entered capital E, which will come later in that, let us say you have this ASCII coding, right? Small e will have a bigger value than capital E. So small e has the Chennai with small e has come before this particular value because we have given descending. Okay, so now let us say I don't want that to happen, right? So we can even give functions, string functions or math function in sorting. So let us do one thing. Let us say upper. Now you can see the difference, right? Chennai and this both have come consecutively. In last scenario, Chamrajpet had come between these two values. Okay, so this is all about sorting. We have different scenarios like sorting with one row, multiple row, sorting with the function, and we have seen couple of examples today for the sorting of the data. So that's all. But please do explore more possibilities and keep try to write your own queries so that you will get a good hands on, and do subscribe our channel for more Oracle related content, and thank you.